Hey everyone, if you're running or planning a print-on-demand business, yeah, Canva can make your design workflow incredibly easy. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva the right way. First, sign into Canva or create a free account. I mean, you only need an email to get started. Click Create a Design. Enter custom dimensions based on your product, like t-shirt, hoodie, or poster. Now, build your design. Yeah, use text, elements, graphics, or upload your own artwork. For print-on-demand, quality matters. I mean, use high-resolution graphics and avoid blurry images. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for most products, or PDF print if your supplier recommends it. Next, upload your design to your print-on-demand provider. Yeah, platforms like Printify, Printful, or others. Use Canva or your POD tool to create mock-ups. These visuals help customers imagine the product. Always order a sample. I mean, checking print quality avoids customer complaints later. And that's it. Canva makes print-on-demand design simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Yeah, perfect for launching new products quickly.